Okay, so in the previous video I showed you how to crop an image while maintaining its aspect ratio, but we used Photoshop in that tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to go through a similar process, but this time we are going to use a free GIMP tool, which is, to me, it's a really good tool. I've used it a lot and I highly recommend it. If you don't have Photoshop, this is the next best thing, and it's a really powerful tool. So having said that, we'll bring in the toolbars here, and I've kind of reduced the size of this so that it fits my recording area. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to bring back the same file. Okay, so here's the same file, and I'm just going to readjust this. Looks like my toolbar went outside. Okay, alright. And what we're going to do is we'll just zoom out to 12. Okay, so we just zoom out, and here's my toolbar again. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to click on the crop tool, which is right here, and then we need to check this box where it says aspect ratio. So make sure we select aspect ratio, click the check box to say fixed aspect ratio, and if you can recall, this was our size of the image in our previous video. So we set the same aspect ratio here. Okay, and then all we need to do is simply draw on the canvas like this, on the photo itself, and I'm going to just basically stop here. Okay, let go, and then press the enter key, so it basically sizes it at the same time. Now right now the size of this image is still big, 2256 by 3384. So what we're going to do is we're going to scale it. So we'll select the scaling tool, which is right here, and then we'll click on the image, and when this dialog box comes up, we are going to make sure that this icon shows the link as opposed to broken link. We're going to link them up, which basically says maintain the aspect ratio here. So we're going to type in 450, and then when we hit the tab, you can see that automatically the height is set to 675 because it's maintaining the same aspect ratio that we selected. Okay, and simply click on scale, and it's going to do some processing, and there you go. So now we have a really big canvas, and here is our image. So to crop to the image, we basically go to image, and then we basically go down to where it says auto crop image. Bang, done. And now if we go, let's just move this out so I can see this. Now if we select 100%, so we see, and we'll move this one out too, we don't need to see that. So here is our image, and if we say image canvas size, okay, so if you look at the canvas size, you see that we actually have an image of 450 by 675. Now here, what I would suggest we do is we don't want to save over the top. We want to keep the original in its nice big resolution. We'll just select save as, and you can save as whatever you want. So that was it. That's the video, and I hope you learned something new, and we'll see you in the next video.